Welcome everyone. My name is Syed Sanal Haq Fazli. You can call me Fazli. I'm the CEO of Hosting Ocean, currently working on a task which was given by Hillcrest International School to develop a learning management system. We have developed a pilot project for it. So we are just giving you an overview of what this thing look like and how you can get login and how you can just use the system. So you can use the system on both on your mobile, on your tab, and also on your computer as well. So currently I'm giving you this presentation to make you understand how will this thing look like on your computer. So open your browser and just write https:// LMS hillcrestint.com. So just write that, press the enter button. It will open this screen for you. Here we are going to provide you your login and password. Currently your login and password and your user is assigned as a student in the system, and you're currently not a teacher here. So you can just get a login and have a view of how your student will see all your system. Okay, so just to give you a view how you have to get login. So your first name will be your username and the password will be, as example, I'm using it as test user, and the password for all of you is currently 2020 Botswana 02 and @ I'll repeat it for you. Also, we're going to send you your password through WhatsApp as well. But to give you an overview, your password, your login will be your username, first name, and the password will be 2020 Botswana. The B is capital 02 @. Okay. So one thing more you have to remember, this username is your first name, but all of that character should be in a small letter, not in a capital letter. So be careful about it. Okay. So I'll click the login button. So here your dashboard will appear like this. Currently you're registered in one course, which is regular 7A. So it will be 7A grade section, and regular is the course of it. So if you click have a view of this thing, so what this thing will look like, currently it will show you in this block, this timeline, all your assignment, test and everything. So your student can see all the assignments which are due, and the quizzes and the attendance, everything will be shown here. So it will show you the link as well. Here anybody can upload their private files here, which they can use it next time. Also here, this online user, you can view and check like currently who is online with you. So currently only you are logged in, so this user. So if you want to see that is my teacher currently available as well or online, so you can check it here. Badges are something different, so we are not going to discuss it right now. This calendar will show you a lot of things like you want to see like when is my quiz is due, when is that assignment due, so everything will be shown on this calendar. Also the upcoming events it will show you here as well. This thing is recently accessed course, like if you are registered in 5-3 courses or classes, like as example you are registered in computer class as well, also in that language class, that's one I think, and also in PE as well, so you can see all of them which are recently, and course overview which you have currently taken, you can see it here. Also this is a site home in which you can see all the courses currently available. Then you can click on the calendar. Here is a full calendar. As example, see this attendance is also due in this date as well. So it's this type of things which you can view it. It can be done monthly, day wise, upcoming events, everything you can do it. Monthly review is this one, April, May, June, is everything you can see it from here. Then the private files, if you upload any files, so it can be uploaded through here. If you want to upload it right now, so just click on this button, then click on upload file, then click on this browser, upload any file which you like to keep it, like as example I'm just uploading this Word file, upload it, and it can be shown here. So all of them can be uploaded easily. One thing you have to remember that it shouldn't be like more than 100 MB site, so don't upload much things here. Then your courses will be regular 7A. You click on this one, so this whole regular 7A class will appear. In that you have announcements, you have live sessions, then all the weeks, first week, second week, third week, fourth week, and you can add as many as you like. So these are the weeks. As example, I want to see the announcements which my teacher have made. I click on it. So these are the announcements which will be shown. So whatever teacher will upload any announcement, so I can see it. Click on it. So this will be appear like that. So you can view it easily. Also, if you want to check the weeks as well, so this is week 1. First of all, the assignments of that sites I can see. Click on that one. So currently this is assignment which our teacher has uploaded, in which he has put the description. So I've put some dummy description in it, and then the file in which he want that assignment detail to be uploaded. So the teacher student can view the assignment as well. Currently the student can also see like who has submitted, how many, what are the gradings, when is the due date, how much time it is remaining, or submitted any comments. So if he want to add some comment by himself, so he can just write a comment, save it, so this comment can be seen. So students can also see the assignments and the comments which have been given by different students as well. Then I'll go and check the attendance as well. So click on that attendance. So just for all of that attendance, like see here is the detail of that attendance. I want to check that all past attendance. Currently there is no attendance in it for all courses, for this course is I click on this attendance for regular 7A, click on it, attendance 1. So it will show me the detail of the attendance as well. By month wise it will show as well. By week wise it will show as well. So it will show you the full attendance of it, how many students were present, how many absence, and everything. So this is totally the view of the student, which the student will look like. So these are the attendance module. Then also you can upload the quiz as well by the teacher. Click on that quiz. So attend the quiz right now. I click it. Currently only one quiz one is there. Attempt the quiz. So the student can attempt the quiz as well. Currently there is one question here. Is the LMS up to your standard? Yes. True, false. Yes. So then the next question is coronavirus vaccine is now available in the market? Yes, no, I don't know. So click on it, finish attempt. So answer is saved, submit all and finished. Okay. So it will show you which one is correct. This one is correct. Your answer is correct. So total mark is 1 out of 1. Flag questions. So you can also select the marks of it as well. So currently grade 10 out of 10 is 100% result. So it will show you a full quiz of it. So you can add as many quizzes as you like and manage that as well. So it has many things in it and you will love it, inshallah. Okay, so currently till here we are just going to show you what this thing will look like. Also, if you want to see which are the participants currently on this regular 7A class with you, so click on this participants. So these are the list of all the participants. Who is my teacher? This as example I've put like a dummy teacher, teacher 7A, and all of these students are currently online. Then the grades, if I click on it, so it will show me my assignments, my attendance, my quizzes. So see, it will show me all the results of what so far I have done. And this is a journal one. So this journal thing will come up like that. So far, this is a situation. I hope you like this thing. And you have any questions, just inform us. We are here to help you. But do remember, this is a pilot project. Like we are still testing it. So far it is not complete. And we will need your full suggestion list as well. So thanks a lot. And we will meet you on suggestion date as well. Thank you. Bye.